Hello, my name is Kevin Brew and I'm the Network Architect for the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. We've been using Juniper Mist since 2021. We use Premium Analytics to literally analyze data that is required for either the IT department or other departments within the university. A good example of this would be we use the occupancy analytics to look at the occupancy of the building over time to make sure space is being utilized correctly. We created a report which would look at the average connect time or any device that's connected for over 3 hours in one particular space to gauge whether or not that person was in the office for a full day. We can gauge how many desks they require in the new building and have factual data to report this back. And to have all this data available was extremely helpful. Using the data that is produced and is visible in real time in the main dashboard, we can select a certain period like the last 5 days, the last 2 weeks, last month, and gauge whether or not the performance is being affected by any events that are happening at any given time. So we're able to accurately report to our estates department how much power we are consuming at any given time. And with a green energy initiative which RCSI is currently involved in, this is extremely helpful information. We can actually have a look and see when our students aren't in, we can tell what our power level is, our base level power for staff, but when the students return, the power obviously increases, the consumption of PoE increases. We use the AP Insights report to gauge the overall health of the network, which is again data that's available to you in the dashboard, but it allows you to visualize this data over time. And as a result, you can see, is there anything unusual happening during certain time periods, and gauge it graphically, which is quite a unique way to decide if you've designed your network appropriately. Premium Analytics allows us to look at that for, say, a number of weeks, and it allows us to ensure that what we are saying is the behavior of the network is in fact the behavior of the network.